All right, man. What's good, man? What's good with y'all, man? Y'all know what's up. We out here in the garage, man. It's MLK Day. The plan originally was to work on the Camaro, and that still may be the plan. But we gotta do some inventory on the parts we got to make sure we got everything. Cause I gotta drill into the valve cover and some other stuff. So it's easy for me to get sidetracked, and I got sidetracked. So I started working on the truck. I had a 3-day weekend. It's the last of the 3 days, and I did a little project on the truck, and I'm finishing up a second project. So I'm gonna show y'all the truck, man. Know some of y'all are in the trucks. I know not all of y'all are, but I'm hoping you watch this channel, you're gonna get in the trucks too. You know what I'm saying? I got in the truck, so I'm on my third truck. You know what I'm saying? So they're trying to mod this. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite vehicles. I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. Like, every vehicle has its place. Every whip, you know what I'm saying, do something different. You know what I'm saying? So the truck is quickly becoming like a comfortable get around, but still clean, go off road, do whatever. It's a 4x4. Let me show you what I've been doing to the truck, right? So I'm gonna start with the first. Make sure they ain't too washed out. Start with the first little project, man, I've been working on. So, and that's the little end caps. So, see, this one's still chrome, that one's white. I got some wrap here that I bought originally for this truck. It's not super color matched, but it's like as close as you can get just buying it off the shelf. I don't even remember what brand it is. I got it off Amazon though. But yeah, so decided to try to give it a shot, and honestly, it didn't turn out too bad, man. I got some sand and stuff on this side that just came from up under here as I was sticking it, which kind of upset me, but it is what it is. The underside is not that great, but the curve was like the hardest part to do, man. Getting that curve and getting it to stretch properly. I'm not a professional, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm just a hobbyist, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try everything out. So, but anyway, yeah, it didn't turn out too bad, and that's what it looked like before. The chrome. It's a little chilly out here too, so nose been running like crazy, so I think I'm gonna take a break with this one and come back out in a little bit and finish that up. But yeah, man, that's the rear bumper I'm working on. I was gonna get like a 2014 and 15 or 16 maybe. It's got a little step in the corner, one of those bumpers on the newer trucks. I still probably get one and get it color match it. Probably do it myself now, but I'm gonna rock this for now until I find one that's a decent price. I ain't trying to spend too much money on a bumper, especially when this one is just fine. And now it looks a whole lot better to me. You can just cover up the chrome. Yeah, I don't really care for chrome, so I'm gonna get rid of these badges too. Get rid of the Sierra. I might leave the Flex Fuel. I don't know. Do they have a custom Flex Fuel badge? I would prefer that. I prefer a custom Flex Fuel, not this stock one, but I may leave that one. I'm gonna get rid of this one too. Get rid of GMC. We don't need that. This needs to be wrapped, so I'm gonna wrap this. I wonder if they got like an overlay or something, or I may just make one. I got plenty of extra wrap, so I can just wrap it. I got some tail lights coming in. That'll be another video. I'm gonna try to do some custom tail lights. I'm gonna open them up and color match the insides, make them look good. These are my 24x14 Moto metals, but they got stretch tires on here, which I don't really care for. They've been going, some of them been going flat, but we turn the brightness up. But yeah, Moto metals. A lot of them are really curve rash, but I'm gonna fix them though. But they 24x14. I traded my 26s for them when I got the lift kit. So the lift is a rough country, as you guys can see. It's a 7.5 inch lift. So, but I'm also gonna move these little door guards. I already took the Sierra off the side. Probably gonna remove the steps too. I put these little stick-on door handle covers. It's black. Yeah, I ain't really feeling it, so I'll probably end up getting those wrapped, or I'll do it myself. These getting wrapped. See if I can find some replacements. But anyway, the major thing I did this weekend, get the washed out. Yeah, I color matched the grill. So the grill was chrome. And I ended up just buying some paint off Amazon. That was supposed to be my color code. It wasn't enough, so I ended up doing some white primer too. But I didn't have enough gloss, so it's shiny. But I think I'm gonna polish it though. I'm gonna wet sand it and then polish it, and that should polish it to a high gloss, and then it should be straight. But the color is pretty much on point, as you can see on camera, or at least it looks like it. Should be good to go color wise. This was the chrome Denali grill. Now it's just white. This is some vinyl wrap inside this. This is generally red. I just stuck that as an insert, but I'm gonna replace this whole GMC emblem. And I'm going with probably LED joint. You know what I'm saying? I'll do LED joint. So I mean, I ain't did too much of the truck. Tinted it out, got the little bullet antenna, put the little 4x4 badges up here. I peeled the ones that was back there off, the little vinyl wrap that said 4x4. Pulled that off, put them up here up front. What else did I do? Or what else do I plan on doing? So I'm gonna end up changing these headlights out. Right now they work, they cool. Little chrome ties in. But once we get this wrap, we're gonna get this wrap color match that as well. I'll probably go with like a white color match light. Well, maybe some LED lights and some halos or something. I don't know yet, but I got the color right. But yeah, that's the truck, man. I know I showed it a little bit before when I first got it. It definitely, it looks a lot different from when I got it. You know what I mean? So, you guys know what all my vehicles I got plans for. So the plans for this truck is get rid of all the chrome. I'm probably gonna get that wrapped. All the chrome. So the chrome on the grill, chrome on the bumper, chrome on the door handle, and the chrome on the mirrors there. Get all that wrapped body color. So to match that up. And then we'll probably change the headlights out. I already got LEDs in the high beams, low beams, and the fog lights. So we'll change those probably to either black housing or something like that. So it's a little Tonka truck. Debating on getting rid of these rims or either just getting a whole new set of tires for them. I've replaced one already. I may go 26 by 12. Let's go back with 26s. But I don't know. The 14s then kind of grew on me. I like that stance now. And it rides really good, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, rough country. That kit rides really well. So, but that's the truck. That's the progress I did. That's the grill I did. It took me like a day to do that. And I don't like the results. You know what I'm saying? As opposed to paying somebody. I think I spent like maybe 40 bucks in supplies to do that. You know what I'm saying? So, truck coming along, man. Not that we're using it for 2K this year. We're not towing the Camaro this year. Probably get the Camaro transported. That's what it's looking like. We're transporting the cars, but this is quickly becoming, man, one of my favorite builds that I've done in a quick time. I've had the truck a little over a year, and it's transformed. If I got some footage, I'll throw in what it looked like. So if you guys aren't familiar with the truck, I got it like a year ago, and it was bone stock. Nothing changed on it. And it's still pretty stock in my opinion. I haven't done any engine modifications. No cold air intake, no exhaust. That's next once I get the aesthetics right. And then we'll start getting it loud, and who knows, maybe a cam or something. Yeah, that color makes bumper look good, don't it? Yeah, maybe a cam or something like that. I don't know. I got too many projects, man. We got the Z, we got the car, too much stuff. But if I can do little projects, and that one too, which I haven't touched in a minute. It's actually sitting on flat. It's terrible, man. But anyway, I'm enjoying this because I'm able to do, it's like little quick wins for this build. This is like a quick win build. Like do quick little stuff on it, really changes the look of it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Y'all want to see more truck content, let your boy know. And man, I'll keep the videos coming with the truck, man. If y'all want to get into the truck, everybody need a truck. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like it. Nothing like it. So if y'all want more truck content, man, let your boy know. And I'll keep the videos coming. Because regardless, I'm gonna still be modding in the background anyway. I just haven't been posting videos about it. But yeah, there it is, man. Y'all know what's up, man. It's cold out here. If you like what you see, if you want to see more, you know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch you in the next one. Even though the video's ended, I'll show you guys the final little product, man. After I wrap the bumper cards, bumper in. And there we go. So sand got under there again. There's some little imperfections or whatever, but for what I'm looking for, which is cheap and free, aside from the wrap, that'll do it. That's good enough.
Come on.